Yeah, I'm here. All right. Everyone is throwing out all these different ideas and whatnot, but I'm gonna get right to it. If you wanna become financially stable and you're not born into it and you just have this like impetus to do well but you can't figure it out, this is how you do it. It's through mutual trust. A mutual trust, right? I have a organization right here, or chart right here. A mutual trust, right? This is the organization. But through that, you would have a policy through the mutual trust and your personal estate. Your personal estate is gathered in with the other policyholders. All the assets would be together from the mutual. Invest together through the mutual. We'll underwrite and play guarantor through the mutual. So that means we'll be able to finance other assets, including whatever, stocks, bonds, anything. But what the mutual would be is a life insurance policy. We'll also get real estate. We'll have all that. It's actually real estate, which is the bread and butter, because once we gain equity in that, and also the rents, and also play guarantor or underwrite, that's a part of the investments. So when we put all this together as a collective, when we come in together, other policyholders, everything is based off the mutual. You get your insurance through the mutual. Your insurance policy is in your personal trust. The mutual trust will get that for you. It's all about the assets, right? It's all about investing those assets. You do it through that, you do it through that. I'm telling you guys straight facts, right? What you see right here, this mutual, it's a life insurance policy. And for people in my particular standing, right? You can't if you're a felon, most mutual life insurance companies won't even accept you as a policyholder. They won't really deal with you. You're unbondable. These are all facts. You can look them up. And naturally, I'm thinking to myself, if they don't want to deal with felons, that means there's some money involved, right? Because they never want felons in a position to, ruin their thing, or they're just highly risked, so they're unbondable. So therefore, there's money, there's prosperity involved. And what I found is to get involved in this mutual trust, and we'll have professionals and all that other stuff, but it's all nonprofit. So you could run your 401k through it, your IRAs through it, your Roth IRAs, anything you can think of, like a real estate investment trust, all of it. You do it all through this insurance policy. And with that insurance policy, you'll start distinguishing your personal trust and the mutual trust. So we'll all be severely in it, but together. It's no different. I didn't make up these concepts. I'm just finding them out. And it goes to show you that no matter how much money you can insure yourself with, and I think everyone should have life insurance policies, because you never want to leave loved ones with debts. But within this mutual trust, you'll also have beneficiaries. And, whether it be your spouse, whether it be your kid, family member, whatever the case may be. But you'll also be able to borrow against it at certain points. But while going along with all this and accumulating wealth and working on your estate planning and insurance, everything included within it, you're getting education. You're getting perspectives that they would never give you. In fact, people go to school years and spend so much money in order to get the information, and some of them still don't get. It's levels to professional. It's like being in the NFL, and you say, "Wow, what a bum! Should have made the throw, should have caught the catch, shouldn't have fumbled, etc." But these people are nevertheless professionals. It's no different than a lawyer. It's no different than a financial planner. Why would you entrust someone with your livelihood when people are subjected to making mistakes? People are fallible, right? It goes for the professional, but they always promote, hey, get a lawyer, hey, get a stockbroker. You don't need that. You need the information. So along with this insurance, this estate planning, this investment, it's all exempt. These are all exempt things. I'm in a situation right now, legal insurance included in this policy to get this going. You wouldn't have to cover your whole legal fees. The mutual would do that with the collective efforts, the collective payment, right? Efforts from our policyholders. So we're the owners, but there is no owners. The customers are the owners. So we cut out the stock, but in any event, this is all due from information. I mean, there's so much more to tell people, so much more to do. And if we were together in a mutual trust and, we're all playing for each other, team spirit, I mean, that's social. We're humans. Socially, we always got a fight spirit, right? It's always us versus them, etc. Like even in sports. But I'm just trying to put people onto some clever stuff, because otherwise you'll never do it. Like if you go through even a regular, there's other companies that are mutuals and stuff, but there's still levels on how they deal within their mutual. This mutual would give you the education that you'll be able to do more smart contracts with, have legal insurance, have investments going. It's all within the sophisticated realm of financing. We're all financiers, from the welfare recipients to the billionaire, everyone in between. We all have to run our lives, make a living. And when you get involved in a greater cause, and it's dealing with life insurance, dealing with estate planning, you're shifting lanes. This stuff is usually reserved for rich people, but with the matter of technology, I mean, we're on our way to making this app and getting some headquarters for this. But in any event, I'm just giving people the basic information on what the organization is going to be about. And whether you're looking to increase your net worth, or you're looking for the financial information, whatever the aspect is, I mean, it's all here and it's ground up. I mean, everyone's doing it different, making things easier, and here we are doing it in this realm, and it's pretty clever. So this summary with what I gave you. Find it. It's not only what you know, it's who you know. So I can know everything I know, but if I'm not able to communicate this information and whatnot, then